Hello everyone, welcome to your channel Precision Fun. Today we are going to talk about a topic which is related to you, me and each one of us. I am sure by this time you have guessed it. Yes, today we are going to talk about friendship. What friendship is and why is it really important in our life. So, friendship is a relationship between people and it includes a natural bond and affection. I am sure as I am telling you, you must be thinking about the friends which you have. So, do you think that your friends have a common connect with you? They have that affection with you and that bond is increasing day by day? Yes, because in friendship we are accepted the way we are. We don't have to change for the other person. The person likes us for the way we are and it is vice versa. Why friendship is important? Have you ever thought of it? You know it is important, but why is it really important to have a good friendship? Friendship is essential because it promotes sharing and caring. Go back in time and think when you were young, your parents, when they made you interact with other children, they would have told you this thing that you should share your toys with your friends, plus you should even share your food with the other children. So it started from the family. So this is the foundation where a strong friendship comes from. And then you would have seen that the care is there for the other individual, how young you may be at that point of time. So this was taught to us by our family at a very early age. And as we are growing, there are certain things which you will see in yourself. When the bond is developed between two people, you feel that you can slowly open up with them. Be frank in your actions, in your thoughts, and you don't have to think before you speak with your friends at all. And they support you for what you are. Once that trust is there, you also start supporting them in their actions. You also start feeling the comfort which you are getting from them, and they are similarly getting that comfort from you also. As you grow more in age, the one thing which everybody wants you to have is maturity. Yes, maturity is a thing which comes us with age plus our experience too. Now, think about yourself, like in the past 2 or 3 years, what are the certain traits which you have developed? And one thing I'm sure each one of you has had or has improved is maturity. Yes, this is a trait which you can see in your teenage years. The maturity will come. And with maturity, there are few more things. The first thing is you provide them with emotional support because you have started to connect with them. You are understanding them. And the best emotional support is when you need them the most. They are there for you because they understand you. Friendship has more to do with other things also. Like when you have a common friend group, you like to interact with them, you socialize with them, and you would have seen in the past 2 to 3 years, friends they make up a group and they travel to new destinations like Goa or any other place which you feel like, and I'm sure many of you have done the same thing and are looking forward to it. So friendship is getting the happiness in you and it is making you feel progressive, because just by yourself you won't be that comfortable, but with friends you can develop many things. So why do we need friends? Think about it. Why do we need friends? We need friends to grow up in life. Because if you are just by yourself, you will be confused. You will think that you are right for everything, but when you have friends, friends will make you understand many things. They will help you grow. And how do they help you to grow? They will make sure that you set your priorities in life. When you are at school, you would have seen the best friend of yours would be helping you out for everything. Many subjects where you need help from him, so he was setting your priorities. And at college, we have a relaxed atmosphere, but in that relaxed atmosphere also, that one friend of yours, the best friend of yours who is at college, will guide you, will understand you. And if you are really lucky, when you move to the professional front of your life, when you are at work, you may find that friend who is like a mentor now, who is guiding you for many things at work which you were never ever even aware of it. See the importance of having such a good friends. And friends will always keep you happy. You will always be cheerful much of your time, whatever the situation is. You will think of them in their mind and you will smile. Think of a friend when you were in a bad situation, or when there was something in your mind, but that friend's face came up in your mind and you would have smiled looking at him. Okay, so the important aspect is the friends who are there in our lives save us from loneliness because they are there for us. And one more thing, it is vice versa for each one of us. Have you ever thought, the friends which we have in our life, or even if it is you try to be frank with them and you take out their hidden talents. Sometimes there are people, they have got so many talents, but they are really not aware of it. And even if they are aware of it, they don't work on it. But it is the real friends who will help you to take out your hidden talents, promote you as much as you can. And when you have a good friend, you will see that he will connect you with more new friends and more new friends who generally have a common interest, common liking, just like which you have with your primary friend. The good friend will always support you for everything in life, whatever it may be, and they will stand with you in every situation. I'm sure there would have been situation in your life where you would be thinking what to do, and it was your friend who gave you that support. Think about it. So, good friends are like vitamins. They will help you reach your destination wherever you want to and how you want to. So, it is important to have friends. I will see you soon with the next episode of this video.